So these are some ways that we save money when doing a renovation.
And then we got different tips and ideas.
Yes.
Leave it in the comment section below. Sure, we always learn.
What's up, y'all?
What it is.
It's spray.
And time. So one thing is looking at the local warehouses. There's literally some warehouses that sell the same thing as Home Depot at a discounted price. It might be like scratch and dent items and stuff like that. Look at that, $175 crack though.
They're not always like stuck on the price that they put on the box.
Let's try to do $400 a piece on $350.
We've had times where we've been able to get like 60% off of stuff. $100 flooring, they gave us 60% off.
Buying more quantity, it'll give you a better deal too. They like the water heaters. We got those water heaters for a pretty good deal too. But we got all three at the same time. We got 140 here, 175 there, and then the 2 hot water tanks. They was 5. We need 3 of them. If I can make a deal, that'd be perfect. Hey, you got some where you can barter a little bit easy and they don't charge taxes. Double check your pricing. I bought something at a warehouse, and by the time I paid for it with taxes, I could have just went to Home Depot and bought it brand new.
With a warranty.
Yeah, so do the math. Wherever state that you in, make sure you do that percentage on top of what you're paying and make sure it's actually a deal compared to what you be buying brand new at the store.
And remember, when you buying stuff from the warehouses, discounts can come with a no refunds.
Right. And one of those tanks actually was an issue. Went back to the guy, was like, hey, it's not working. It was like, well, you bought that a long time ago, so I really can't do nothing. And I'm like, I understand. But this thing was not cheap when I bought it.
Shout out to the owner for going ahead and taking care of it.
I do remember him saying, if it don't work, you can bring it back.
It just was time.
Right, so
time made it weird.
We learned something too. Once we buy something from one of these warehouses, we need to hook them up right away.
Yes. So another potential way to save is seeing if your city or state offers grants.
So if your house needs an installation or you need help painting it or something like that, they give you like $3,000 or maybe even more. So
that's what they're offering in the city that we're in. There's even a city that was offering up to $10,000 for homeowners.
So there's programs out there too, like a heat program where they help with weatherization. If you need a furnace, they'll replace it. If you need installation in your house, they'll do that. Replace windows. There are programs too, because they'll definitely replace a bunch of stuff.
If your tenant is willing to work with you, sometimes they can even qualify for assistance. Some tenants would like to stay put for a while until they're ready to buy. Another way to save is store perk programs like Home Depot and Menards. When it came to this project, shout out to the homies Home Depot. They be messing with us sometimes, you know.
Using the pro count on the card, they'll give you up to a year to actually return the stuff. So
yes,
that's perfect when it comes to doing a house like that, where you gotta probably buy more materials just to make sure you got enough. And then at the end of doing a project, you be like, all right, time to return some stuff.
I think they will even give you up to like 24 months financing. They even was letting us go over the limit.
But wait, there's more. Home Depot also started matching Menards 11% back. So you would start doing your rebates too, which you can do online, which is actually easier than Menards, because Menards you gotta mail it in. Home Depot, you go online, put your receipt number in, how much you pay, and they'll literally mail you or email you a gift card that you can use. We got Home Depot stock too. So hey, it's just like a big family, good relationship with us at Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot, hit us up. I mean, you know,
hello.
We're gonna see if we can invite y'all. Menards even does 11% back, and they also have a credit card as well.
Menards is like a bigger store. Most of the stuff that be on special order at Home Depot, they have it in stock at Menards. Use both of the stores at your advantage. That's why they're here.
If they sell the same product, you can see if that store will price match. I believe Home Depot will even sometimes beat Menards by like a certain percentage just because they want to make sure they keep their customers. Another tip, if you're at like Home Depot or Menards, you find like a damaged box, don't be shy to ask them if they'll take some money off. Sometimes they'll even take like 50% off, so don't be shy. Something that might be worth looking into too is to see if you qualify for taxes. And we also saved a lot by doing a lot on our own. We even did stuff like getting raw wood cabinets and doors, then staining and painting them on our own, and cutting our overall expenses to give 100% of our time to the project.
Fuck up! Fuck up! Fuck up! And there you go. Save some money.
So those were some of the things we've learned. Let us know down in the comment section if you have any ways.
What was the most you saved?
Yes, let us know like a crazy deal you got. The next video's coming.
It's going down.
Subscribe.
Welcome. If you want to learn something, let us know down in the comment section below, or teach us something down there. Right. You know, everybody got their own opinion, so I can't wait to see them laughing or learning.
If you're about your family and business, or about that assets only lifestyle, make sure you go to artlife.com. Wear it.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.